The Dyson Cyclone V10 is a cordless vacuum cleaner that Dyson claims is as powerful as a corded model. The company has also claimed that they won't be developing any new full-size plug-in vacuum cleaners based on the performance of the Dyson Cyclone V10. It has great cleaning performance, good ergonomics and an impressive battery. However, it does run at a premium price. But it is absolutely the best vacuum cleaner. Dyson has made some overhauls from the previous V-Series models. The V10 now features a front-facing barrel which you can connect all the attachments to directly. Located behind the barrel is the expanded Cyclone array, which now has 14 chambers in total. Also, the new V10 digital motor, the best and smallest and smartest that the company has ever produced. The engine is half the size of its predecessor, but it produces 20% more suction power. At the back, you can find the filter, which you can remove with a simple movement, giving you better access. Dyson claims that the filter captures 99.97% of allergens in the air, very impressive to say the least. The bin capacity has also been increased. It now houses 40% more dust than before. The Dyson Cyclone V10 has put on an amazing performance in every dry vacuuming scenario. With all the attachments provided, it really is ready for every battle. The direct drive attachment is like a standard vacuum head. The soft roller cleaner head is a great attachment for cleaning larger fragments of debris from the floor. The mini motorized tool is excellent for stairs or upholstery. The flexi crevice tool with an extendable hose is an ideal tool for cleaning the car interior. The Dyson Cyclone V10 has 3 power modes available: low, medium and maximum. The battery on low mode has a lifespan of 60 minutes, on medium around 30 minutes. However, the maximum power setting will only last for 6 minutes, recommended for cleaning small areas that need more attention. A bit more expensive than its competition, but it offers more power and features that no one else has. The most advanced cordless stick vacuum on the market by miles. If you're looking for the best, look no further.